It's just amazing. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Tinker and Cook. And for this episode, for this content, I'm just gonna make it like spontaneous. So yeah, today is my off day and I was thinking of what to cook. Why not? I'm just gonna make it like a vlogs type of content. It's already 11, almost 11 a.m. and I still haven't had my breakfast. So I was thinking of why not join me in trying to know what's what's for breakfast. So again guys, this is the Tinker and Cook. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, because last night I had my pizza. So this one, I think I'm just gonna have this for brunch, but I don't know. I don't want to eat just like this. So last night I have a little bit. Now today I have a little bit of hangover because last night I was like drinking. So yeah. So this is the culprit. This is the culprit. So I have like finished a bunch of this. So what's the best way to cure a hangover is to eat something greasy. Well, that's for me. That works for me. So the pizza that we have a while ago. So let's see what we can come up with. Greasy food from leftover pizza from the night of drinking. So yeah. But before that, I'm gonna have some coffee, guys. So yeah, this is my leftover pizza last night. So last night I have like 4 slices of pizza. I'm not gonna say what brand it is. I think you saw it already a while ago. I'm holding my camera, guys, so gonna be very careful. But my thing about so yeah, I just decided to have slices again into same size but smaller. So now I have 2 slices here. My knife is very sharp. So yeah. So what's the plan? The plan is like to have this like this later. There's nothing extravagant. There's the same size pizza. See, I just put it one after another. So yeah. Okay guys, the next thing that we need to do is to actually oops. Again guys, pardon me because apology. I don't have a stand for this camera. I'm holding it, so one hand is actually holding the camera and the other one is actually cooking. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do here is actually I'm gonna heat up the pizza using the pan. You can opt to use an oven or whatever, but I don't have time for that. I'm a pan guy. So again, so this is our pizza. Well done. See. So I just slice it in a way that it's similar size, and then I just put it like this. Okay. The reason why I put it like this is what effect I want to achieve is that I want to melt some of those cheese over here, and then basically just integrate these 2 pizzas together. So yeah, so basically like that. So nothing so special about that one. That's the purpose. So yeah. So pizza on the pan. Okay. I just wanna have some. I just want to heat up the pizza. And so guys, I've been able to flip already. So it's like toasted on both sides. So yeah, we just set it aside. Yeah, but transfer it to the plate. And look at that. I think yeah, you should hear that. You should hear the crunch. Yes, that's one I'm doing. But again, a while ago I told you I wanted to melt. It's not the melting that I wanted, but still fine. We can still like continue with our vision. The vision. Okay. Then after that, going back to the pan. So this one we're gonna cook here. Our sunny side up egg. It's like a sunny side up, but actually it's a imitation of a poached egg. So you can use the same pan that we use for this. Okay, it's very basic, but the very thing that you need to remember is that you need to use a non-stick pan. So this is quite old pan. I'm sorry about that one, but this is a non-stick. and you need to have a knot. You don't want to make your pan very hot because it's gonna make your eggs stick on it. So this is your typical sunny side up. So if you wanted to, mimic the poached egg over eggs Benedict, so what I usually do is, I flip this to cover the yolk like that. So that's what you're gonna do, but you're gonna do it carefully. So when you flip it, oh my god, please cooperate. When you flip it, you try to, let it stay there, up like that, stay there. Okay, and then you flip the other side. Okay, like that. So yeah, so that's sunny side out. I don't know, it's still called sunny side out, but this is like you cook the egg like a sunny side out, but you do this to mimic the poached egg effect of the eggs Benedict. Okay, so you want it inside runny, so you don't want to overcook it. So guys, so yeah, I have this finished product. It's not actually the finished product, but I just want to show you the egg that I made. So this is 2 sunny side up slash poached egg. I don't know. Yeah, but it's like basically the way I cook it is like a sunny side up, but I flip it to cover the egg to mimic the effect of a poached egg. So it's 2 overlapping each other. So now to achieve my goal to make it an eggs Benedict, so the next step is to make the hollandaise sauce to put on top. Okay, let's go. Okay, for the next thing that you need to do is a hollandaise sauce. I'm just gonna make it very basics because I don't want to spend too much time making the sauce, but you need to have the butter and then yolk. Okay, make sure that there's not it's just a yolk. Okay, so I'm gonna melt this butter slowly in the microwave oven, and then I'm gonna incorporate it with the yolk later. So basically there's other ingredients you can put on your hollandaise sauce, but here I'm not gonna put anything here. I'm just gonna put some maybe garlic powder, salt, and some paprika with these 2 main ingredients. And then yeah, so this is how I did it. So I microwave it slowly. I use the defrost button for the microwave, and then I just left it like with this like a little bit iceberg there. Iceberg. So the purpose of this one is when I mix this, it's not gonna be very warm. So yeah, I just let it like melt it there. You don't want your butter to be like transparent. So after that, I'm back with this egg. I'm just gonna break the egg. Okay, again, pardon me because I'm using my other hand for this camera. Yeah. Dum. Okay, I'm just breaking my egg yolk. Okay. And after this, I'm just gonna incorporate this egg yolk to the melted butter. Okay. Like, come on. Okay. I'm gonna incorporate these like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna quickly mix them together. Okay, mix so they don't stop. Okay. Okay. Now here's the trick. You're gonna cook it again on the microwave oven, but again you're gonna use the defrost button, and then like remove it from time to time. Okay. So yeah, this is my hollandaise sauce I made a while ago. So I made it a bit thick, so it's nicer to put on top of my pizza eggs Ben. So let's do it now. Let's put our hollandaise sauce on top. Okay. So first is like that. So yeah. So you want to put your hollandaise sauce on top. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. You want to put more? No need. And then you're gonna put some paprika. Oh yes. So guys, so this is my lazy leftover pizza eggs Benedict. So yeah. So this is, my hand is shaky already. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. It's just amazing. So the yolk is already incorporating with the hollandaise and the entire pizza. So yeah. Look at that. So guys, this is my leftover pizza eggs Benedict. So this is perfect for your maybe after um, a night of drinking, to fix your hangover. So just make a hollandaise sauce. Don't make it too fancy. You want it a bit messy, it's okay. But the thing here is you want to make your leftover food as your base. Then you put your like sunny side up, mimicking like a poached egg because you want your yolk to be runny. And at the same time, you're gonna do your simple hollandaise sauce, and that's it. Here you go. Let's try it again. So look at that. So guys, thank you for joining me on my first ever vlog, which is like you know, taking you on how I make my breakfast or brunch on my lazy off day. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, which is the Tinkering Cook. So again, today I made leftover pizza eggs Benedict because why not? Okay, I'm gonna show you again what it is. So this one. Isn't this good? Isn't it good? Look at that. See you guys.